Hi friends, in this video I am gonna to make two components which are very simple: piston ring and master rod bearing. So it is a piston ring and it is a master ring bearing. So first we will make piston ring. So we will select working directory which we have created in desktop and Radial engine. Okay. Now we will make piston ring. So new file, we will name it as a piston ring. Then we will uncheck this. Then OK. Millimeter kg second and OK. So here are the dimensions of the piston ring. So for piston ring, we have to use first extrude command, and after that we have to cut this slit, which is inclined at 135 degree to the plane of the ring. So first we will create two circles and we will give it width of 2 mm, and the diameter of the circles are 86 and 94. So extrude top plane. Now circles with 86 and 93. So here it is 93 and it is 86, and we will extrude it up to the depth of 2 mm and on both the sides. Then OK. Now we have to cut the slit on either side of the ring. For that we will use extrude on the middle plane. Now we will cut the slit. Now the slit dimensions are 1 mm and at an angle of 135 degree. So we will select line and we will draw line, two parallel lines. We will close this. Now this dimension is 1 mm and the angle is 135. Now we will click on OK, and now we will extrude like this. So it will cut over here and then select extrude cut. So our slit, we have cut the piston ring. Then OK. Now we will save this file, piston ring. Now we will create another file which is master rod bearing. It is nothing but extrude of two circles with diameter of 46, 52 up to the depth of 70. So 46, 52 and 70. So we will create a new file, uncheck this, master rod bearing, then OK, millimeter kg second and then OK. So now we will extrude on top plane, then two circles with 46, 52, 46, 52 and up to the depth of 70 mm, and extrude on both the sides, and then OK. We will save in our working directory which is desktop Radial engine, and then OK. Thank you.